PeaceRyde goes beyond visa processing and extends its services to airport assistance, pickup, drop-offs, and immigration meet and greet services. As a trusted partner, PeaceRyde ensures a smooth and stress-free travel experience for individuals arriving in or departing from Nigeria. I will explore the comprehensive range of airport services offered by PeaceRyde and how we enhance the overall travel experience. Airport pickup and drop-off services. PeaceRyde understands the importance of a seamless transition from the airport to the final destination. We offer reliable airport pickup and drop-off services, ensuring clients arrive at their destinations comfortably and on time. PeaceRyde professional drivers, equipped with well-maintained vehicles, provide a safe and hassle-free journey. With advanced booking options and real-time flight tracking, PeaceRyde monitors arrival times and adjusts schedules accordingly, minimizing waiting time and maximizing efficiency. Whether you are a business traveler, tourist, or returning resident, PeaceRyde airport pickup and drop-off services provide convenience and peace of mind. Immigration meet and greet services. Navigating immigration procedures can be daunting, especially in a foreign country. PeaceRyde immigration meet and greet services address this challenge by providing a friendly and knowledgeable representative who greets clients upon arrival or departure at the airport. This representative guides clients through immigration formalities, ensuring a smooth and expedited process. PeaceRyde immigration experts are well-versed in local regulations and procedures, streamlining the immigration process for travelers. They provide assistance with completing entry or exit forms, visa validation, customs declarations, and baggage handling, saving clients valuable time and effort. Personalized assistance and customer support. At PeaceRyde, personalized assistance and exceptional customer support are at the forefront of our services. Our professional staff is readily available to address any queries, concerns, or special requests. PeaceRyde dedicated team ensures a seamless and comfortable travel experience, providing confidence and peace of mind to travelers. Whether it's arranging wheelchair assistance, helping with baggage, or providing information and guidance, PeaceRyde customer support goes the extra mile to meet individual needs and preferences. Our commitment to excellence in service ensures that every traveler feels valued and well cared for. Safety and security. Ensuring the safety and security of our clients is a top priority for PeaceRyde. We carefully vet our drivers and representatives, ensuring we meet stringent safety and reliability standards. PeaceRyde fleet of vehicles is regularly maintained, and all necessary insurance and licensing requirements are met. Additionally, our airport assistance services provide an added layer of security for travelers, particularly those unfamiliar with local customs and practices. PeaceRyde knowledgeable staff offers guidance and support, enhancing overall safety and peace of mind throughout the travel journey. PeaceRyde goes beyond visa processing and offers a comprehensive suite of airport assistance services, including pickup and drop-off services, immigration meet and greet, and personalized customer support. With our commitment to excellence, dedication to customer satisfaction, and emphasis on safety and security, PeaceRyde ensures a seamless and stress-free travel experience in Nigeria. By choosing PeaceRyde Logistics Limited as your trusted partner for airport assistance, you can enjoy a smooth transition from the airport to your destination, save time and effort with immigration procedures, and have peace of mind knowing that you are in capable hands. Let PeaceRyde enhance your travel experience and make your journey in Nigeria truly memorable. Peace begins with a smile. Please share the love. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.